Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add product on Redbubble. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to add or start selling a product in Redbubble, you're going to simply click on your profile over here and click on Sell Your Art. Now keep in mind, when you create your account, you're supposed to have your account to be set up as a seller and not a customer. And as you can see here, you're going to have to do all of this setup over here, like create products, set up shop, and the get paid section over here. Although you can add your designs right away without having to set this up over here, you're going to have to set this up when you want to start selling right away. But to be able to add your design, you can simply click on add new work over here, and you will be redirected to the section where you can upload your work. And as you can see, you can simply upload your design over here. You can create designs on different platforms out there. One sample is Canva, which is an amazing platform. And you could see also the file requirements over here for the size of your product and or your design. And then when you click on upload work and upload the specific design that you have used or that you have created, you can simply enter the title over here, tags, and over here after this is uploaded, you will be able to see all the different products that you could start selling it on, and it will also show you like a mock-up of the design. And as you can see, this is the different products that we have over here. You simply choose the specific product that you would like to add. For example, pet blanket, you can click on disable, and you will be able to choose this as one of the products that you would like to sell. And after entering the information over here as well, you simply click on save your work, and you will be able to add that product that you have just uploaded into your Redbubble store. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.